Hey guys, so welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am going to take you guys shopping at Michael's Craft Store. I think they have a lot of their new fall decor out, so I'm really excited to show you guys what they have. So let's go. Okay, loves, so the first thing I have to share with you all is that Michael's has all of their summer florals 60% off. And if you love beautiful pink flowers, this may be the time for you guys to scoop up just a couple of pretty things. So I did find this bouquet. I went ahead and grabbed this. It has hydrangeas, roses, and some other florals. It was only $8. So, but here's what I have to share with you all. Look at all of this beautiful shabby chic kind of pastel, just lovely soft fall decor. Now I was just over the moon excited to see how many beautiful shabby chic things there were. And this is a 40% off all baskets and fall floral containers. So they do not have their fall florals on 40% off yet. Usually they'll put them all out and then they'll give you 40% off after they've been out for a couple of weeks. But look at this. And I am not joking. This says Fall Floral Market, and look at all of the pinks they're showing. I can't even tell you just how beautiful this is to me. They have never, I don't remember them ever showing this many beautiful pink florals for fall. Maybe they did last year and I just completely missed it, but I am loving these beautiful soft colors, and look at the purples and the pinks, and oh my goodness, pink pumpkins. Are you kidding me? I've been painting pumpkins pink for years, and to see them out in the regular craft stores, I'll probably still paint pumpkins pink, but wow, if you needed to do a quick fall display and you didn't have time to paint anything and you needed florals to go with it, you're no longer going to be hunting high and low for pink and white shabby chic soft fall florals. So I believe this pumpkin was $19.99, which that's a little bit high to me. But I think you can use a coupon, or once these start to go on sale, they'll definitely be a lot more reasonable. But look how cute these farmers markets tins are. Guys, I am just so in love with how they're beginning to really incorporate a different idea for fall and Christmas. And look at these big white pumpkins, so beautiful. Now, I also do love some traditional fall decor, so I had to show you all that because I know not everyone decorates their home for a shabby chic fall or Halloween. And then I also love these cute scarecrows. I have one for my house. I always put it out by my pink bike. So we'll just have to see what I design for this fall season. And I'm definitely going to do a fall garden tour to share with you guys. But look at how beautiful all of these florals are. I know it's still summer and this is probably way early, but if you're a crafter or you love to decorate, you have to get excited about the fall season. I just love it. And oh my goodness, look at this. These are the most beautiful frames, shabby chic frames for fall. Oh my goodness, I can't even tell you guys how exciting this is to me to see these beautiful soft pinks and whites and golds and just this shabby chic fall decor. To me, this just makes my heart smile, and I love this grateful sign. I probably won't buy the grateful sign here, but I may make one for myself. And then they had these beautiful soft pink throws. Again, I probably won't buy the ones here, but I may look for something at TJ Maxx. It's a little bit more reasonable, but how cute is this and how inspiring is this to see all of this beautiful shabby chic home decor for fall. goodness, I absolutely love these baskets. Look how sweet these are. They weren't quite big enough to me to be able to put a bunch of pillows and throws in, but still super cute. So now we're moving on to some of the more traditional fall home decor, which I had to share with you all because even if you may not decorate with the oranges and the yellows, there are some beautiful options still, I feel like, that can incorporate into more of the pastel and shabby chic home decor. And sometimes I do just decorate in traditional fall colors because it just depends upon what mood I'm in for that season. So I go either way. But look at how cute these signs are. I definitely want to do something cute on my front porch with some white or pink pumpkins. And I love these pillows. Oh my goodness, they would just be so cute out front on your front porch. And a cute little sign. And yeah, I just think these are super, super adorable. And this is really cute. Happy pumpkin season. I mean, I was just in heaven. I love fall decor. So many cute things to think about and to look at. Part of why I love the fall decor too is there's just so many thankful and grateful signs and just a happy feeling of changing seasons and being thankful for what we have. And I just really was inspired to create some beautiful new fall decor. I cannot wait to work on something beautiful to show you guys inside and outside of my home. Now this section is my absolute favorite section at Michael's. It generally stays the same year round, but it's a ribbon section that has really beautiful pastel ribbon. So as I showed you, there was a pink burlap and some pink lace trims. There's also the off-white and just very beautiful if you decorate for a shabby chic home decor. And really for a spool of ribbon, it's between $5 and $10. And then if you use a coupon, it makes it an even better deal. So I did pick up a pink and kind of burlap gingham ribbon that I'm going to use on my pink bike outside. And I also picked up some of those clearance flowers that I showed you. There's just tucked underneath there was that ribbon I picked up. But look at how many beautiful colors there are. There's florals and polka dots and burlap with lace trimmed on it. So you guys can really do some beautiful shabby chic projects and not have to be searching for shabby chic ribbon in the off season. They just carry it year round here. And also I wanted to show you guys, they have their deco mesh. The smaller rolls are on sale for $5 a roll. And then I love to pick up too some tulle to incorporate into some of my designs, just to give it that extra kind of bridal whimsical effect. So the ribbon section, you guys know ribbon is my weakness. I love to craft and use tons of ribbon. So I just had to share with you one of my favorite sections in Michael's. Here's another beautiful section. Look at these sunflowers. They have like this beautiful gold bling on the inside of these sunflowers, and they're kind of a pinkish coral color. How gorgeous. So we can totally get glam and shabby chic for fall, you guys. I'm just, excuse me, I'm just so excited about this. I can't even tell you guys. There's so many options. So I just had to share with you guys another floral section, and I was so excited to find those blinged out sunflowers. I'm definitely going to be back to pick some of those up. Right now, I was just kind of window shopping. Like I said, I did get that gingham and pink ribbon. And I also did pick up one of these candles. It's the vanilla cupcakey one. And also still, I wanted to show you guys, here are some of their summer clearance florals. They're 60% off, but if you decorate with Shabby Chic home decor, you can definitely take advantage of these because a lot of them will translate, I believe, into the fall if you play your cards right. So yeah, so that's a better deal on some of these flowers over here while you're waiting for the others to go on 40% off. And so here is what I picked up for my front yard bike. I'm still celebrating summer, so I do want to do a pretty beautiful pink floral, but aren't these going to be beautiful with the ribbon? And they had another section, you guys, with Shabby Chic decor. So here are some cute little jars and more pillows. This to me is more like of the muted grays and earth tones, but still very, very beautiful, very soft, very romantic for fall. I just feel like we're really being given a lot of options. Okay, you guys, so check this out. Michael's is putting out just a tiny hint of Christmas, and look at what I found. This is what they have out so far. They have out gingerbreads with pink candy canes and donuts and these little fuzzy accent pieces, and I am so excited. Maybe this is a preview of what's to come for this Christmas. I would love to see a bunch of pink Christmas home decor. I think that would be awesome. Maybe they had these last year and I missed them, but yeah, so I really need you guys' help. Please comment and let me know. Should I go traditional for my fall decor, or should I go Shabby Chic pink and white, or maybe a mix of both? And let me know, how do you guys decorate your Shabby Chic homes for fall, or your cottage homes, or boho, or however you guys decorate? How do you all decorate for fall? Let me know what colors you're using. So thank you all so much for coming along with me on this Michael's shopping trip. I love all your comments. You guys are just so wonderful. Subscribe and give this video a like if you like it, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.